Good morning, YouTube. This is your girl, Kinsa Babe. How are you guys doing? I am doing wonderful. I'm heading to my site today. That's right. The plumbers are working. They already went ahead of us. You know, they starting to do the poly tank. So today it's going to be interesting pulling that poly tank up and connecting the poly tank. So stay tuned for poly tank installation and tap. Okay, thank you guys for always tuning in. Please watch the video all the way to the end. That's how you could support me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm on the road to 5K. I really appreciate you guys watching. Thank you guys for coming every day. That's right. So I'm heading to the site. Me Kinsa Babe with Super Shadi. And he's going to be cooking. My glass is fogging. Yes, he's going to be cooking. He's going to be cooking contour stew on his channel. So go over there for those who want cooking content. Watch him cook for the workers today. We're cooking for the plumbers. The plumbers are there today. So I think we cooked for them one time. They were there when we cooked, but we're going to cook for plumbers today. So guys, stay tuned. Watch his channel. Don't forget to subscribe to super_shadi233 and get him to 1K subscribers. Okay, and if this is your first time, I repatriated back here. I'm in Ghana, Africa, and I'm building. I'm currently constructing 2 stores and a small unit, and then a 2-bedroom apartment on top. So stay tuned for the updates of the plumbing work, poly tank. Guys, see you guys soon. Guys, we're going to cook at the site today, and that's going to be on Super Shadi channel. But look what we eating. You put it right in my face. I'm going to show them, and he just poke it right in my face. We stopped to buy ingredients, but look, cocoa. That's how you say it, cocoa. Cocoa. It's roasted plantain, cocoa. Roasted plantain. So this is what we're eating on the way because we're hungry. This is breakfast, cocoa. So they eat cocoa with what? Inkate. Let me show you. Where's the inkate? You don't eat all the inkate? Ah! You took the 2. Oh, take it apart. Stay focused. He took the 2. He was going to eat all the inkate. Super Shadi. How you get like that?
You don't like?
I like.
I've been buying a lot of times. You don't eat inkate.
I do. That's not true. You took it all. So inkate is peanuts, guys. Groundnuts. We call it peanut. They call it groundnut inkate in tree. They eat inkate with pro fruit, which is like a fried dough, like our Johnny cake or festival. And they eat inkate with cocoa. They eat inkate with everything, peanut with everything. And they don't do peanut butter too much, only in the soup. But they eat inkate with everything, peanuts with everything. Chinese girls.
They are the contractor here.
I know, you see them? Guys, you see the Chinese building the roads?
They are the contractor.
We didn't get him fully, but he directed. Well, he ain't directing traffic. He just out there looking at the project. Guys, it's getting bushy. Look, a little rain. This is what happens here. This is why when you see, look, the bush. When you clear roads and you're not paving them, here in Ghana, when you clear the roads and you buy land and you develop it and you clear the roads, if you're not there accessing and building, it's going to grow back. So it doesn't make sense to clear your land until you're ready to build. Because this bush, look, these people just cleared this land. Look. Remember when these people cleared this land? Remember when this house was covered? If you're not accessing it, it's going to grow back. So grading your land comes when you're ready to start doing a project. Because this bush will grow back. Look, they're working on top. Can you see them? They're working on top with the poly tank. I hope they clean it. They're supposed to clean it out before they fix it back. So it rained, and the bush is coming high again. The weeds. So this POP stuff, you have to get cleaned up. I can't stand seeing it there, but it'll get clean. I don't know when. One thing at a time. Don't park inside. Look who's here. Look who is here. Twinkle. Oh my God, Vincent cleaned the door. Vincent, thank you for cleaning my door.
Okay.
Thank you so much. So guys, I'm here. I pull up and I brought some bleach so they could clean the poly tank and kill the bacteria. And they kind of don't understand what it is. Why?
They don't put paragon in the polytank.
Why? So just soap going clean, kill all the bacteria? I want it in there because I know the bleach is going to kill what bacteria is in the water. I want it in there. So they don't understand that the bleach is going to kill the bacteria. They want to use just soap. So now they're telling me no. But I know what is in the water, and I know that the bacteria that is in the water, the only thing that is going to kill it and neutralize it is the bleach. You know, if they're washing it and just washing it out, the bleach is going to come out. So they don't understand that, you know, and this is going to drive me nuts. So Vincent, clean all the doors. I'm going up there. So they move the plywood back. So they moved the plywood back to where it was after they run the pipes. What kills the bacteria? That's what kills any green. So guys, I'm up on top here again today. So the cool water that they drink, the Baltic water, I don't drink it because it's full of chlorine. And they don't understand that's why bleach is chlorine. They're telling me they can't wash the polytank with the chlorine, with the bleach. The hydrochloride or whatever the scientific name is. but you know that water is dirty, and bacteria that is in the water, and it's been open. They left the tap open. Number one, that grows moss, that grows the green stuff, if you guys understand what I mean. So they need to kill whatever is in there, and I am not going to just take soap. No, nope. So guys, this is what they're doing, emptying it out and cleaning it out. Sometimes when they don't understand something, they won't do it. They refuse, but no. This is what I want. I'm telling you, this is what's going to kill germs in my water system. So this is what I want. So guys, I just wanted to come and give a garden update. They are running the generator because they're finishing up the pipes up on top. There, you see the plumbers up on top. Vincent went to get some boys because they need help. They need help putting this poly tank on top of that tower. It's not easy. You remember this poly tank, how hard it was to get it up there? Well, it wasn't hard. It's just manpower, you know. You remember them putting it up on top there? This one is a little shorter, but this is a little bigger. So they're going to use a rope like how they did this one. But that's a smaller poly tank. That's like 3,000 liter. This one is a 5,000 liter. So this one is heavy. Remember when they were moving it on these blocks? Can you imagine? They were moving it on these blocks. Now they have to move it over here. Let's see how we're going to get this done. Anyway, I'm giving you guys an update in the garden. See what's going on down here. It's been hot. It's been hot, so look. I have tomatoes here. Awesome. Some tomatoes growing here and a cassava. And let me go down here to see what else I have here. The maize is coming nicely. Look, they have the KFC bucket down here. So Vincent weeded a little. The grass grew back so fast. He weeded the old stuff from over here because the maize didn't come nice. He took it out, which I'll leave them. But here we have more flowers. But they've been eating the peppers, and more peppers coming. Flowers, and there's contumely in between everything. But I want these contumely removed. Can't find the critter that is eating this. This needs to get cut back. Something eating this. I want this good to seed. If I could find it. You know, it could be just one caterpillar. I want to find it. And then these sweet potatoes, I have to see if we have any. The onions that were here look like they already took out. The sweet potatoes, we have to. No, I think they still have a couple more months on the sweet potatoes. We have a bunch of peppers and some flowers. See the peppers? But as they get ripe, they look like they picked them. We have garden eggs coming. This tomato, I told them they need to stake it, but he hasn't staked it yet. Why is there a con? One of the cons came down. You know, they're still producing though. This one needs to get this splitting. I don't like that. That's a sign of overwater right now. This splitting. We have some more hair coming. They look like they've been plucking them though. This one needs to be weeded. Yeah, this needs to be weeded. Bad. See, some small tomatoes fell off. I don't like this at all. I wish I was here every day. It's just so hard to come out here in the afternoon. I can't do the heat. Oh, there's a couple of tomatoes that needs to be picked. Needs to be plucked. I'm harvesting, guys. See this little one? This one is almost ready. I don't know if I should pluck it now. Leave it one more day. There's some back there, but they're not ready. Let's see what else we got. Some of the maize is on the ground. All this is turkey berries, I believe. Pinchaswa. Turkey berries, they grow wild everywhere. It's too much. We're gonna have to take some out. I wonder if I should pick that. Okay, the tomatoes are coming, but they need weeding. Oh, I need to pluck these kales. The kale is coming nice. I need to pluck some. I want some. I want to eat some. Do I pluck some? Let me take some off these bad leaves. They're gonna grow nice after I take them off. These leaves on the bottom. Oh, they're beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful kale, guys. We have peppers all here. Don't want to step on them. These are peppers. These are more local peppers. Different from the ones up there. He weeded here a little. Yes, he weeded here. Oh, we got flowers. Guys, remember when I went to the other land, the 2 plots over in Putsin, and the farmer gave me these peppers. That's what these are. So these are local peppers. They're the hot ones. Look. Flowers, guys. Flowers. So we have a bunch of guys. Oh, I have to go up there to see what they're doing. We have to come back to the garden. Oh my God. Before I go. Look how much okra. He weeded all here. Ah! I can't believe how much okra is on these trees. I plucked some of the leaves and look at what happened. Okra is just springing. Look at these okra. I have to come back down here later. Let's go up here and watch this poly tank. Let's watch this poly tank. So the okra is producing, man. I can't believe how much okra we have. And then look at over there, the contumely and the sweet potato. Oh my goodness. I can't believe. They run all the water down here yesterday. More cassava coming. I don't like how these are looking. They look like they're missing some type of nutrient. Maybe we need to fertilize them with something. They're probably catching themselves too. They're gonna come. So here is the task. Today here, the event. See, Master Plumber. Him and his brother, very good plumbers. So let's see. The thing is the little rope, but they got it done the last time. Can we get it done? That's what they're using inside to hold it up. That's going inside the rope to get it up there.
I can do it on my own. I can do it. Don't worry. I will definitely do it. Don't worry. I will do it. Don't worry. Yeah. You just give it to me. I will do it. I will do it.
Somebody has to get up there and help. Okay. So some is going on top, some is going on bottom. So who is going to stay on the bottom? And who is going to stay on the top? Guys, it's time, you know, the concrete up there is dried, so it could go up there. We just have to get the mason back out here to take the boards off. It's been 21 days, so the concrete should be dry.
One, two, three.
Ah, wait, he's getting pushed out. He thought he could stay up there, but it didn't happen. Somebody else needs to go on the ladder with Vincent. Hold it.
I didn't ask you though.
There we go. There we go. We got it. We got it. Yes. Yeah. Good job, guys. Good job. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Me da se pa.
Yes, yeah, that's it. Yes, yeah, that's it.
Yes.
Next order, I'm going to have a set. Now I'm going to go to that.
God do you? I want to get one. I got do you?
And the government applaud.
Why you not go?
Now points them.
This is one of the reasons that wall has to be extended. When the mason comes back, we have to extend here. That's heavy. Somebody needs to go back on the fence. Yeah.
Amen. I'll get you.
Just don't drop the pump or don't fall. Don't fall. That's the major thing. The pump is okay. We could replace that. The rest, the filters. Yeah, a boat. You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you guys for helping. Frank, you still driving the Bobaya? Oh, we may have a job for you soon. He's the chef today.
show what they are doing. Ata me bow.
Over one day, the phone plans off. And the Udia would have spent.
So guys, this is where the machine is going to replace. Hey. And because I say no.
Okay, let's go. I know about my baby. I know about
Super Shadi is up there with the plumber. So you see the hook, the pipe up from down here that is going to come from the poly tank. I mean from the borehole down here. And then to this tank. And then it's going to come through this pipe. This pipe right here. You see this pipe goes all the way up to the top. That's the pipe he was connected to the borehole. So there's a stop right here, like a knob to turn the water off going up to the packing tank up at the top. Let me show you guys. If you could remember, that pipe is going to be connected to the packing tank. Another pipe that he attached yesterday. So that's what he's doing up there today. Oops, sorry guys. Connected. The poly tank is on top, guys. No more poly tank here. Oh my goodness. No more poly tank. I think I should have them moved for now here. But that is going to be my fish. I might turn that into a fish aquaponics type of deal. The catfish could live in that type of water. And then this area here, I don't know, man. I have plans, but not now, guys. You gotta wait and see. But it's coming. The poly tank is on top. I'm going to have, so what he's doing up there, I don't know, Super Shadi went up and did some recording, but what he's doing up there is he's connecting the pump so he could pump it up to that one. Everything is coming together, guys. I have to go back down in my garden because I have to, we're letting the okra go to seed. Imagine if all those okra had grown. Oh man, I would have had so much okra right now. So we're letting the okra go to seed. I want the Swiss chard to go to seed. I have to get some onions, man. I have to get some onions. Anybody coming to Ghana, bring me some onions. Onion seeds. Bring me some. I have onion seeds, you know, but it's very little and I don't want to start them until I could take care of them myself, you know. That's the issue. I want to be able to be here, fertilize, water if I need. It's hot out here, so I can't be out here too long. So I'm going down here to see the papaya trees. Look at these things growing everywhere. You know what that is? Turkey berries. We didn't use that in the stew. We used it in soup. But it's good for your hemoglobin. So they're growing everywhere, just naturally, you see? Turkey berry, quench your swa. And then the cassavas. Down here is getting bushy. He weeded down there a little. But if you don't have constant people in your garden, and you know what? I'm trying to get somebody to come and install my camera. I'm gonna put a camera right there. You know, that could have detoured the paint theft. But the guy wasn't available, so I have to wait. And that was the issue with the buying it from. See, this is the papaya tree coming. That's one, and that's two papaya trees. So, and here we're gonna have to fill because this pipe has to be covered. And we're gonna have to move that pipe. But you know, one day at a time. So one little lone cassava, there's another one there that survived the first batch that we planted, me and especially this one. I have to take these leaves off so this tree could grow. Down here hot, that's the thing. You gotta come down here in the mornings. If you don't prune some of these leaves off, it stunts, it takes a while. Oh my God! Look guys, I can't believe this tree already has shoots. I'm having planting shoots, guys. Look, these are baby plantings. So that means this is going to produce plantains soon. It already have shoots coming up. When the shoots come up big, that's when it's going to do some plantains. Hey man, I can't wait. And this is my soursop finally got some new growth, looking good. And the citrus is coming. Oh, why one lone maize growing there? So this, it has sweet potato in here, but there's a lot of weeds growing in between. This is one of my citrus. And another citrus. So this is what it looks like so far from this angle. Poly tank on top. Poly tank on top. Poly tank on top. Sorry. So what else? He planted stuff here, but they didn't come. Too much weeds. They didn't come here. Nope. I don't know what he planted. I think he needs to get more organized with this. See, Vincent is not really a gardener. He knows a little, but he don't know much. So I have to train, and I can't do it when I'm not here every day and all day. Starting seeds and stuff, he don't know much. The guy up there, his little friend, tries to show him. He knows a little more than he does. So what I'm going to do, this one don't have any shoots yet. What I'm going to do is, look at these things. These are ready to pick, but we want seeds. We want seeds. These are ready. Oh man, look at them. We want seeds. I know I was going to let some of them go to seed. These ones need to go to seed. These are ready. It continues up there, guys. The work continues. So those guys up there, they're talking football, I believe. Football. Barcelona and Real Madrid fans. So let's see what they're doing here. Oh, they turn it on?
I feel it.
It's going?
It's going.
Okay guys, you turn on this valve here. You plug in the pump. So Is it filling that one? Is it filling? This one fill already? What? Huh? Oh. Okay. I don't know if we have water coming in there. So the tap one full in? So that's the pump. So the water is being filled up here. So this one still ain't coming on. Water is being filled. The pump is working. Let's go upstairs. So the lid is on, the pump is working. Oh, sorry, I keep dropping the phone. Guys, it's filling.
Yeah,
Can
yeah,
you hear it? So this has the thing that would lock it off, right?
Yeah, this cover is very good than the
Other one. No, I mean the thing that would lock the water off when it's full. So it don't, yeah, that's what I'm saying. It has.
It's automatic. The machine will cut itself.
Okay.
When it's full, we lock it down.
Uh-huh.
Where the guy open it.
Uh-huh.
That's where we lock it.
Uh-huh. How we know when it's full though? That's what I'm saying.
But we are the one filling it. So when it's full, you know.
No, it have something that stop the water, no? The float that he put in there, isn't that
Yeah.
that stop the water? That's what I thought.
The thing that
The float is like the toilet. When they get full, it cuts the water off. That's how a toilet works too.
the air balls and
Yeah, the ball that is in there.
it's inside.
Okay.
This
Yeah.
one is here, one is
No, it was one he bought.
and then it's here.
Yeah, that's why we're asking. Remember, we're asking you at the plumbing supply, don't they need two? Because I thought they were going in the toilet. Because I know we put them in the toilet. And then you said, no, it's for the poly tank. They only need one. You went and asked him. And I said, oh, that's what stops the water from filling the tank. So,
We're going to fix the toilet.
really?
That's where they are.
Okay.